Dumi Masala Window Simphi Wangema attempts final letter. Johannesburg, former Mavhango actress Simphi Wangema, popularly known as Thulai, has reportedly attempted to commit suicide on Monday morning. Simphi allegedly tried to end her life by taking a handful of pills and fell into a coma. She was found unconscious by her housemaid in her house and was rushed to the private hospital. Simphi Wangema is best known for her role as Thulai in popular local TV show Mavhango, where she played along with actors such as McDonald Ndu, who plays KK. One of her fans' comment on Twitter: "I thought Simphi was one of the strongest women and I was wrong. To Queen Sims, for all the pain that you have been through, for all the tears you have cried, for all the sleepless nights, for all the lonely tearful drives. I am sorry. I know I'm not as good as Dumi Masala at loving you, but I'm gonna make sure that I love you with my everything, until the end of time."